Welcome. Today I am with Motorola Moto G50 and we are going to check if this device comes with protective silicone case in the box. Yeah, as you can see, we can find here this case. We can put it on the phone. On this side, on the right side, we got also the brand marking. It's from the Motorola, of course. So the case looks like that. It's silicone. It comes a little bit above our camera set. We got covered the buttons right here. Quick access for jack 3.5mm, USB-C, speakers. At the top we got this microphone. At the back we got cutout for our fingerprint sensor. And the case also comes a little bit above the screen, so when you put it on the flat surface, probably you cannot scratch your display. So that's the good point. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.